Mix lemon and honey in warm water to soothe a sore throat and calm coughing. It helps coat irritation. Use fresh ginger and hot water to ease congestion and support circulation. That heat? Totally normal. Gargle salt and warm water to reduce throat swelling. Uncomfortable for seconds, worth it. Breathe steam, especially from a hot shower, to open your airways. Not a cure, just easier breathing. And this part matters most, sleep and fluids. Your immune system works best when you rest. Colds don't need hacks. They need support. Save this for your next sick day. Follow for simple, fact-based wellness.